Right then, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Happy Hungry Hippo. Yes, that's me. What we're going to cover this week, Leon Happy Curries. Really good recipe book. Really good for these times to build up your immune system. Lots of herbs and spices, and we're going to cover something in the fiery section. And this is going to be the Caribbean style black bean curry. And this is what it should look like. Really easy, really healthy. You need a neutral cooking oil. So rapeseed is actually quite good here. Garlic, medium curry powder, onion granule, coconut cream or coconut milk, a bay leaf or a curry leaf will do, hot chili powder, medium curry powder, or mild, black beans, baseline ingredient, that's the main staple of this dish. A red or an orange pepper, coriander, thyme, ginger, a lime, and a onion. Right then, all is done. I'm going to remove this from the heat. Perfectly done. Just added the curry leaves and also the thyme leaves. Just allow that to simmer and allow that to cool now. So this now asks for the raw organic apple cider vinegar. Just half a tablespoon of this. And then 2 tablespoons of the coconut cream. And we want to stir this in. You can really see the textures, and it smells absolutely amazing. So finally going to serve this into a serving bowl. So then finally, just to garnish, put some coriander all across this. We're also going to serve this with some lime juice. Going to put that on the side so you can just sprinkle that on the top. And then here we have the Caribbean style black bean curry. Really easy to make, really healthy, really interesting to see what you're doing with your black beans and different styles of curries. It's my wife's favourite cuisine and I can really understand why. So we're going to serve this up tonight with cauliflower rice. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Make sure you subscribe. Lots of other videos to see. Enjoy.